I'm really liking this trolley subway theme we got going on here.
Oh my God, what is this? We're here today at the Tanger Outlets in Washington, PA, and we're gonna go look at some animatronics in Spirit Halloween. Let's go.
This is a pretty cool.
I don't like that.
He's kind of cool. What's this one do?
This is Jack the Revenger.
I can see straight into your soul. You can never escape my evil eye. It's too late to run. It's too late to hide. You don't even have time to scream.
I think I like his friend better.
Wait, he has motion tracking technology. I gotta see this again.
I see you. I follow you around.
Oh, okay. He does.
That's kind of cool.
Creep along.
Chris would love this. I know he hates clowns.
And I bet you her back feels amazing now.
Oh, okay, there he goes. Oh, jeez. Fire demon. Wonder if it has fire at all. Oh.
I carry the eternal flames.
I've never seen anything like this before.
Chest, where they will burn your soul.
That's pretty awesome.
I didn't really care for him.
I like them. And yeah, I don't like spiders either. I like the eyes though. Oh my God, look, it's a bird. No, it's an owl actually.
Oh, he's cute.
Oh,
You think we should get that for the house?
I mean, we can, but I don't know where we're gonna put it. He dispenses candy out of his mouth?
Looks like it.
Ooh. I think I need this one. I think I'm gonna get it. I think I do.
Those pestering crows will not stay around after this.
Oh, jeez. Grandma. It's Grandma.
Grandma's coming to visit.
Hi, Grandma. Nope, I don't like Grandma.
That sound,
No. Oh,
the grinding of my bones.
I don't like it. You see? Press.
Push that button.
Oh, I like that.
Gonna play some red light, green light.
I want to. Watch your step, it says. What am I watching? Ooh, hazard. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, it vibrates the floor.
Oh. I love the attention to detail up in the top. It's a very fun light show. We got a little scarecrow.
And we got my electrified corpse. Let's press him. Oh. That's real ideal for being in a subway.
This is why you need to pass your electrician test. Look at this big mama.
I don't like it.
I love her.
I don't like
I
it.
love her.
I don't like it. It's a big rat. Sewer rat.
Maybe she'll give you a kiss.
I don't want a kiss. Yep. Nope.
What do we got over here? We got some flies. We got more Subway. I really do love the Subway theme.
We really never see Subway themes anywhere.
Oh my god, we need this. We do need that. We can put that outside. We'll put a light in it. We'll put a candle in it.
Yeah, so it burns away.
We got some Medusa. We do love her.
This cool decoration. It's a plague mask.
We got a skull with a moth. Don't know why, but it's giving me Last of Us vibes.
These candles, they bleed.
See, there's the candles we can put in the ghost thing.
But they will burn away. You're not wearing these in the house. You are not. No, you are not. One, two, Freddy's coming for you. Oh, I thought it squeaks because it squeezes. It doesn't. Nora, if you're watching this, I got spiders for you. I don't like spiders either. I think we need a couple of these for around the house. Look, he got some dangly legs. His arms dangle.
We can take him home if we can take the bats home.
No deal.
That's my deal.
No deal.
How about the octopus then?
Wait, there's an octopus?
We gotta take him home. Him and the anglerfish, we gotta take him home.
I like it. What about the turtle instead, though?
The octopus and the anglerfish are more fun.
Wait, there's a snail.
but the octopus and the anglerfish, they're more fun.
Sierra, I don't care if this is just for a Halloween decoration. I could wear this all year round.
All right, Farmer Joe. You gonna go out in the field later?
Yeah.
All right.
See, them 4 vibrates. If you like this video, we have another one for you right over here. This is Corey and Cierra from Team Night Stalkers. Stay spooky.